What's up, everybody? It's Meredith Sterkosfeld Training, and I am super excited to give you an awesome no weights arm workout for you today. We have an awesome scenery, so you guys know the deal. We're gonna go through all the exercises, and then we're gonna do an awesome workout together. All right, everybody, here we go. So you know what we do. We walk through all of these awesome exercises, and then we do a killer workout together. So the first exercise that we have is monkey pumps, one of my absolute favorites. So chest up, shoulders back. Your elbow's gonna be in line with your shoulder, elbow in line with your wrist, coming together, making sure it's about, chin height, open, and then up. Close it and up. So these are your monkey pumps. One of my favorite, also core exercises, right? So you really ground yourself down in that core. Second exercise is angels. Just pumping angel wings. That hopefully somebody will save you from this crazy workout. Call the angels. So you got little pumps here, up and down, maybe like 6 inches up and down from your center point. And you really want to reach to me, right? Reach, you see them through my back, I'm reaching all the way through. So stand up nice and tall. Next exercise is a tricep kickback. So from the side here, your hands, thumbs pointing up, and you're coming back and then turning your palms open. So up and open. And open. Notice how I'm really grounding down, chest up and my shoulders back at all times, pressing through my heels and my butt, and just making sure that you're getting all of that push through your triceps as you open up. The next exercise is a bicep isometric. So simply holding your arms, 90-degree angle, and trying to flex your biceps as if you're pushing up a countertop. So notice how I'm grounding down, chest up, breathing, and I'm pushing as if I have everything on the top of my hands, really isolating your biceps. Then we're doing a bicep pull. So straight from here, and then we're going straight here. So you're just pulsing. So really we're smashing those biceps at that last little piece. 30 seconds, each exercise, back to back. Grab your water, grab your timer, but you don't need one because you just got me. So grab your water. Let's do this. First 30-second interval is going to be monkey pumps in 3, 2, 1, and go. Reaching and up. Really think about when you're breathing nice and even into the nose and out through the mouth. 30 seconds here. Don't forget that everything starts from the ground up. So as you push, you're grounding down, right? Pushing up, good. Got about 8 seconds. Then we're going right into our angels. 5, 4, 3, good. 2, what a beautiful day, right? Last one, best one up, and then close it. Now straight out angels, pumping. So I'm going right away. I'm not giving you guys any rest on this first round because I want you to start sweating. And I'm already outside, so I'm sweating right now. So, you got to get on the same track with me. So really pump 6 inches out, keeping that core. And you can feel, if you do, all the way down into your wings, right? My lats are moving. Everything is moving. Breath. Good. Good work here. I'm going to throw in a bonus exercise for you guys, okay? Because I'm feeling happy today for you. So what we're gonna do in 3, 2, 1, put your palms up. So give me a little like you're serving a plate, and then you're going forward with your arm circles. So like soccer ball size. So plate is open, up, and you're making a circle about soccer ball size. We're going 20 more seconds because it's a bonus. I just kind of want to smash your arms here because everybody's been asking me about these bat wing exercises. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of a bat wing extra for you. Good, 10 seconds, 9, good, you got this, 8, 7, going to tricep kicks next, 5, 4, breathe in, 3, 2, and this last one, push your elbows together, drive them in, and then straight down, shake them out, because you're kicking back now. So thumbs up, and push back. 30 seconds of this tricep press, so notice how I'm really trying to push my hands out. Focus on your breathing, nice and even, and if you're in an uneven place, like, outside in a park, you need to make sure that you're grounding down all the time. You can't be standing here sideways because you're going to develop weird muscles, right? So we want to have our thumbs up, pressing back. Good. 10 seconds. 9, pull that core in. 5, 4, good. 3, last couple, 2, and 1. Straight up into the bicep hold, right? Bicep, iso, press up, pull up the countertop. If you have a countertop, if you're at home, grab underneath your countertop or your bathroom, something like that, and pull up. Hold it. Good, hold this tight and drive up that countertop, wherever you're holding. 4, 3, hold, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Okay, let go for a second. Got 10 more seconds on that ISO, but you got to give your arms a little bit of a break. Shake them out. Be present here. Take a big breath. 10 more seconds on that ISO, so really press up. 10, 9, 8. Make sure your neck is nice and loose. 7, 6, 5. Good. Press 4. Good. Drive it up. 3, 2, and then pulse, pulse, pulse. Last 30 seconds of your first round. Yes, I said first because you're doing more than wanting you to push past your level of comfort. Good. Press. Good. Drive it up. Drive them up. Good. Really feel like you're grabbing something and pressing it up. Good. 5 seconds. 4, 3. If you're not sweating, 2, 1. You're not squeezing enough. Good. Shake it out. Shake it out here. So think about it. Did you guys hear that? Did you hear that crack? This is what happens when you doing 100 workouts for you guys. Trying to make sure that we're talking. Need to hydrate. So make sure you're getting some water because we're going a second round. Okay. So think about on this second round. What's sore? Think about grounding down through your toes and your heels so you're planted and you have a great foundation as you're moving through even these arm exercises. Here we go. Second round. Monkey pumps. 3, 2, 1, and monkey pumps. Good. Good. Really pull in the core as your arms come up. Pull in your core, zip that rib cage as your arms come up. Good. Really driving them forward. Drive those arms up and forward. Good. Really pinch here. So you can get the same line as your chin. Up, same line as my chin, grounding down. Good. Let's go 3 more. 2 more. Last one. And up. Hand straight down. Pumping. Big breath. I might throw a different bonus exercise for you guys in here. Well, maybe the same. We'll do reverse. We're going to do the reverse soccer balls. Good. Big breath. If you need to take a short break and shake out your arms, do it and then go right back up. Because I want you to stay where you're going to get the best possible workout by pushing yourself a little bit farther each and every time. Good. 3, 2, 1, and soccer balls backwards. Okay? Backward soccer balls, pulling. 30 seconds. You guys like how I'm disappearing into the bush? Just kidding. Just kidding. I won't disappear on you yet. Got to finish this workout first. Good. Pull, drive your elbows. Drive those elbows, move those shoulders. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Straight back, kicking and kick. You know what this is? Triceps, back of the arms, pressing. Now, if you want to get a little bit more, what you can do is crisscross. So same triceps, but now we're just crisscrossing. So if you're getting a great workout here and you say, hey, that's good, then that is good. But I'm going to give you something to push yourself a little bit more. Leaning forward, your chest up, shoulders back, pressing through in your core and in your butt is super tight. Good. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7. Let's go here. 6. Press those triceps are burning. 4, 3, 2, 1, and shake it out to those bicep isos. Hold now. So imagine you've got something. You know, imagine if I was trying to push up this tree. So imagine it's 8,000 pounds. I'm like, ah! Right, you got to flex. This is not a branch. This is a branch. It doesn't weigh anything, but I am fully flexed trying to drag this thing up because that's how you activate your muscles. Really, really deep activation so you can get the best out of these isometric work. Good. Pressing up, driving up, flexing in those biceps. Big breath through your nose, out through your mouth. Press, press, press. Now start pulsing. Start pulsing here. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Remember, working the biceps, working the triceps, and also the chest, but not forgetting about the core, right? Grounding down, keeping your core super tight. Good. Let's go 10 seconds. 9, good. 8, really pull up down to center. Pull up, good. Pull up, good. As you find the seconds, last seconds, you're finding your last reps. 5, 4, good. 3, really flex. 2, and hold it. And ooh, drop it down. Ooh, my arms are on fire right now. Shaking it out a little bit. Roll out your neck. Grab some water. Now, if this was awesome for you and you're ready for another round, get to it right now by adding in those little extra movements, helping you to really ground down your core. If this is an awesome workout for you, great job. You did an awesome job. I'm sweaty, you're sweaty, and if you like this video, you're gonna love all the other ones, so make sure you check it out. Thank you so much for joining me on this awesome arm burner. I'll see you guys on the next one.